The term bushmeat refers to the meat procured from wild animals, notably within tropical and subtropical regions. This resource represents a primary source of both animal protein and economic income for numerous rural populations. However, it also presents significant risks to both wildlife and human health. Bushmeat encompasses a diverse assortment of animal meats from mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians. These creatures are hunted either for consumption or for trade, highlighting their dual role in subsistence and economy. For many communities dwelling in the rural areas of Africa, Asia, and South America, bushmeat offers an essential food source and contributes substantially to their livelihoods. Its significance is particularly pronounced in regions that experience limited availability of alternative protein sources. The spectrum of wildlife hunted for bushmeat is extensive. It includes, but is not limited to, primates such as monkeys, reptiles like snakes, mammals such as porcupines and antelopes, and at times even large mammals like elephants. The practice of hunting bushmeat often raises alarms concerning sustainability. The excessive hunting of wild animals can lead to drastic reductions in their populations. This overexploitation has deleterious effects on biodiversity and can bring some species to the brink of extinction. The consumption of bushmeat is not devoid of health risks. Many wild animals are reservoirs of pathogens that can be transmitted to humans. This mode of transmission can occur through direct contact during the capture or preparation processes, or through consumption of the meat itself. A prominent concern associated with the bushmeat trade is its role in the emergence of zoonotic diseases. The trade is intricately linked to outbreaks of diseases such as Ebola, which have grave implications for public health globally. Despite these risks, bushmeat consumption is often deeply embedded in the cultural traditions of many communities. It also stands as a critical income source. However, the burgeoning demand for bushmeat within urban centers and internationally has exacerbated unsustainable hunting practices. The trade in bushmeat, whether legal or illegal, is a considerable driver of wildlife poaching and trafficking. This trade not only threatens wildlife populations, but also undermines efforts to enforce conservation laws and strategies. In conclusion, while bushmeat remains a vital resource for many, the complexities surrounding its use necessitate a balanced approach that respects cultural practices while promoting sustainable and health-conscious practices that protect both populations and biodiversity.